What is Cosmopolitan Karoo? The central concern of this research program is to deepen our understanding of the complex web of social and environmental dynamics within which commitments to sustainable development must operate. This has historically been done in and through the Karoo region of South Africa, a very large semi-arid and marginalized region of the country that is of significant interest because of its history, ecology, and the major land use changes underway in the current moment. Other concerns of the broader project are to build social theory and contribute to appropriate policy development. The Karoo is of further interest because of severally globally networked developments that are promising major social and economic benefits, locally, nationally, and globally, and in the process reshaping relationships to land, environment, and place. Of particular interest here is the Square Kilometre Array telescope installation north of Carnarvon, the impacts of which extend far beyond the core astronomical site. The investment in optical astronomy outside Sutherland, possible exploration of the commercial viability of shale gas or fracking and uranium mining in other areas, as well as the burgeoning of renewable energy plants, both solar and wind, across the Northern Cape Province. The social dynamics of small towns are also a core research focus. The research sites. The chair has produced research in various sites across South Africa. The Karoo covers around a third of the country, encompassing much of the Northern Cape, the interior of the Western Cape, as well as parts of the Eastern Cape and Free State. The scope of this research site allows for a diverse range of projects that span various foci. Comparative research also allows intercontinental work, such as has been done through the SKA. Publications. The chair produces a range of research outputs. One element of this is the research done by students. This includes honors, MA, PhD, and postdoctoral work that has been conducted throughout the broader Karoo. Furthermore, in connection with a network of interdisciplinary scholars, the Cosmopolitan Karoo Group has produced a significant body of scholarship. Among these are books by postdoctoral fellows David Kinigo and Michaela Marcatelli. 3 new books have been co-edited by Professor Walker and various research partners. These are an edited book on law, land, and redistributive justice in South Africa, another edited book on interdisciplinary perspectives on social and ecological change and continuity in the Karoo, and a book of photographs of 7 years of fieldwork taken by members of the research group, co-edited with the PhD student Steph Borchardt. Current research topics. Current research in this group consists of the following: Tumi Malope's work on decent work in the context of renewable energy and the just transition, former postdoc Mzi Qaba's work on the impacts of environmental developments and investments on local people and formerly on land reform, Steph Borchardt's work on energy poverty in the context of a renewable energy hub in Dar, Matthew Wingfield's work on socio-ecological activism and the political economy of natural resources in a time of climate crisis, Lisa Mayberg's multi-species ethnography on a predator-friendly farm in Kennard, and Bashir Ari's project on local development needs and aspirations, and the International Square Kilometre Array Radio Telescope. For additional research projects, please consult the Cosmopolitan Karoo website. Furthermore, the chair comes with a range of funding opportunities, such as funding the cost of postgraduate study, research costs, and even funding for attending national conferences and fieldwork. Therefore, we ask you to get in contact with the chair of Cosmopolitan Karoo, Professor Stephen Robbins for any expressions of interest or questions that you may have. You're also encouraged to visit the Cosmopolitan Karoo website for further information.